Here, in today's session, we are going to see about Gauss-Jordan method. Transformation of a non-singular matrix A to form IN. IN means identity matrix of order n by applying elementary row operations is called Gauss-Jordan method. Here, the steps in finding A inverse by Gauss-Jordan method is, the first step is augment the identity matrix IN on the right of A to get the matrix A slash IN. Obtain elementary matrices by row operations, then you get IN slash A inverse. So, what the first thing you have to do is augment the matrix with IN and do the row operations to find IN slash A inverse. So let us discuss this type of finding A inverse of a matrix A with an example. So this is the question. Find A inverse using Gauss-Jordan method of A is equal to 0, 5, minus 1 and 6. So now applying Gauss-Jordan method, we get A slash I2. First step is augmenting the matrix with I2. So 0, 5, minus 1, 6 slash, here this is a 2 by 2 matrix, so I2 is 1, 0, 0, 1. So now we have to interchange row 1 and row 2.
So that will give you minus 1, 6, 0, 5 slash 0, 1, 1, 0. So the next step is R1 minus 1 into R1. So you will get 1 minus 6, 0, 5, 0 minus 1 and 1, 0. So the next row operation is R2 1 by 5 R1. Here we divide this row by 5 to make this as 1. So you will get 1 minus 6, 0, 1 by 5 slash 0 minus 1, 1 by 5, sorry, here 1 by 1. 5 by 5 will give you 1. So the next row operation is R1 plus 6 R2. So that will give you 1, 0, 0, 1 slash 6 by 5 minus 1, 1 by 5, 0. So you have your I2 on the left side. So this will be your A inverse. So you get this form. Therefore, A inverse is equal to 6 by 5 minus 1, 1 by 5, 0, which is equal to 1 by 5 can be brought out from this column and you will have 6 minus 1, 1 and 0. So the answer is, here we have a question, find A inverse using Gauss-Jordan method of A. So the first step we have to apply augmenting of I3 with A. So which is 1 minus 1, 0, 1, 0, minus 1, 6 minus 2, minus 3, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. So this is your I3. The first row operation we are doing here is row 2 minus row 1. So which is equal to 1 minus 1, 0, 0, 1 minus 1, 6 minus 2 minus 3, and here on the left side, right side, sorry, 1, 0, 0, minus 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. The next row operation is R3 So here you'll have 1 minus 1, 0, 0, 1 minus 1, and this row we are subtracting it with minus 6 R1. So you will get 0, 4, minus 3, right? Here 1, 0, 0, minus 1, 1 and 0, and this part will change as minus 6, 0 and 1. Row operation here is row 3 minus 4 row 2. So the matrix will reduce to 0, 0, 1, and here 1, 0, 0, minus 1, 1 and 0. Here the last row will change to minus 2, minus 4 and 1. So the next row operation is R1 plus R2. So here you have 1. So this should change to 0. For that we make this operation. So 1, 0, minus 1 we get again. So 0, 1, minus 1 and 0, 0, 1. Here this will change to 0, 1, 0, minus 1, 1 and 0, minus 2, minus 4, and the next row operation is R1 plus R3. So 1, 0, 0. So this and this will get cancelled and you'll get 0 there. So 0, 1, minus 1, 0, 0, 1. This side will change as minus 2, minus 3 and 1, minus 1, 1 and 0, minus 2, minus 4 and 1. The next row operation is with row 2. So row 2 plus row 3. So that will give you 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. So you get I3 on the left side and your matrix on the right will become minus 2, minus 3, 1, minus 3, minus 3, 1, minus 2, minus 4, 1. So this is your A inverse. This is of the form I3 slash A inverse. Therefore, your A inverse is equal to minus 2, minus 3, 1, minus 3, minus 3, 1, minus 2, minus 4, 1. Thank you.